Welcome back to the MitoTalk series, The Fire Within Mitochondria and Healthy Aging. Mitochondria aren't just the engines of our cell, they're the clockmakers of aging, the subtle regulators of vitality, energy, and decay. In today's episode of MitoTalk, we explore how mitochondria influences healthy aging and how everyday choices can keep that inner fire burning longer. I, Basudha Banerjee, would be carrying the series forward, and joining with me is our expert, Dr. Sukant Khurana, a renowned biologist with extensive experience in neuroscience, computer science, artificial intelligence, and molecular biology, all aiming towards driving innovation. Welcome, Dr. Khurana.
Thank you, Vasudha. Glad to be here.
So, to start with, we would like to begin with the mitochondrial theory of aging. One of the oldest modern theories of aging is the mitochondrial free radical theory. It suggests that over time, mitochondria, as they burn fuel, they release reactive oxygen species that slowly damages their own DNA. And this feedback loop of damage leads to a decline in energy production, increased oxidative stress, and eventually a lot of age related diseases. But that's only a part of the story. Mitochondria also regulates inflammation, stem cell renewal, and cellular senescence. These are the three pillars of biological aging. In other words, aging is not just a matter of time, it's a matter of mitochondrial behavior.
We now know that mitochondria are extremely responsive to lifestyle. Exercise, especially aerobic and resistance training, stimulates mitochondrial biogenesis, the formation of new mitochondria. It also promotes mitophagy, where damaged mitochondria are cleared away, like cleaning rust off an old engine. Nutrition matters too. Polyphenols in berries, omega-3s, and even intermittent fasting can help reduce mitochondrial damage. Fasting mimics mild stress, which surprisingly enhances mitochondrial resilience. It's a kind of mimetic training, stress that strengthens. Even your circadian rhythm affects mitochondrial health. Poor sleep disrupts mitochondrial dynamics, increases oxidative stress, and accelerates biological aging. In other words, move more, eat smart, rest well, not for vanity, but for your mitochondria.
So, what we understand is that mitochondria is acting as a bridge to vitality. And healthy aging isn't about defying time, but aligning with the biology. When mitochondria are efficient, cells stay metabolically flexible and switch between burning fat or glucose as and when needed. And that is the key for metabolic health, for brain clarity, and for even the immune function to work during the older ages. Interestingly, long-lived populations from Okinawa to Sardinia, they don't just eat differently. They stress their mitochondria just enough through physical labor, through fasting periods, plant-rich diets, and connection. Maybe mitochondrial health is more about balance than biohacks. With that, we conclude our this session, and I would like to say that healthy aging begins deep within at the mitochondrial level. And the good news is that the mitochondria listens. They respond to challenge, they adapt to rhythm, and they reward movement. The choices you make today echo through your cells tomorrow. Join us next time as we explore how technology is turning this ancient engine into a tool for future longevity. Thank you very much, Dr. Khurana, for your esteemed presence. We hope to share more such
Thank
insightful
you.
talks with you.